Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, guys. So come with me this morning, guys, as I cook some soup for my grandbaby, guys. So right here you see I have a chicken leg, I have some Idaho potato, and I have a can of bean, guys. So that's what I'm gonna use to make the soup with other ingredients. So guys, for those of you who have been watching my videos, thank you so much for watching. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And to all future subscribers, if you come across this video, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will be the first to receive it. And so guys, so right here I'm deboning the chicken, guys, because I'm gonna blend up the fleshy part of the meat. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm cutting off all the flesh, all the fleshy part of the meat. I'm cutting off all of this, and I'm not gonna throw out the bone, you know, guys. I'm gonna use the bone also in the broth that I'm gonna boil for the soup. So guys, just watch the process. And guys, this is like 17 minutes long, so some of the part of this video gonna be silent, guys. I like to make silent videos, and so if you come across these videos, some of them will be silent, some of them will not. So sometimes I have the baby around, my grandchild around, so I don't talk while I'm doing that, because he's making noise and I'm talking, and I don't like that in the videos. So now and then you're gonna hear his voice in some of the videos. So watch this process, guys. Silent, the most of it gonna be silent. Every now and then I'll drop a word or two to say exactly what I'm doing. So right here, guys, you see I'm cutting up the chicken leg, guys. So I'm gonna cut them up in small pieces. As you see, I cut them up in small pieces, and I am gonna wash this down with some vinegar, guys. You will not see when I wash that. And there you go, guys, my pot is boiling. I already washed the chicken in vinegar, and right here I pour it in the pot to make it boil out, so I can blend it up. And right here, guys, I'm just gonna cover the pot and leave it, let it cook until I'm ready. So right here, guys, I'm gonna peel some Idaho potato. So I have like 5 Idaho potato that I'm gonna peel and cube up to add to the pot for the soup. So guys, just watch the process, and every now and then I will chip in to say what is going on. Oh guys, you see right here, guys, I put the potato skin in the wrong place. Potato skin supposed to stay on the thing and go in the bowl to wash. Guys, I always wash my stuff off camera. Most of the stuff I do, I wash them off camera, guys, because it will take too much time if I'm gonna prep the stuff, wash the stuff on camera. It takes too much time, and I don't want to cut out a lot of the videos. So usually I will do certain things off camera so that it will not take up too much time. So right here, as you see, I'm just peeling these potato to add for the soup for the baby. Guys, you could see that you don't really have to buy everything that is already made in the store for your baby. You can buy your stuff and cook your stuff yourself. Guys, just sacrifice the time to make your baby food. For the stuff in the store, some of them are not, some of them, they all processed food with preservative and stuff for the babies. And if you make your own stuff, you don't have to worry about preservative, because like how I make this soup, guys, the baby not gonna eat all of it today. So what I do, I keep it in jars in my fridge, and then this soup will last the baby for 2 days. So you know, after 3 days, you know that soup no good no more, and you have to throw it out, or you could drink some instead of, you know, throw it out. So you know, I know I'm gonna drink some of this soup, because whenever time I make soup for my baby, my grand pitney, guys, the soup come out so nice, and so I'm gonna drink some also. So right here, guys, you see I'm just finish up. You know, I'm checking over here, guys, checking over there to check the pot to make sure it don't boil over in the stove. And I continue to peel my 5 potatoes. So this is the last one. And right here, guys, I'm peeling this vegetable. I don't remember the name of it. It's not a common name. I'm not sure of the name, but there's another vegetable that white, just like look like this vegetable, but I don't remember the name. So this vegetable, guys, I'm just gonna cut it up also, wash it off, and you know, put it in the soup also, because this is also a vegetable. I don't think it's a starch, I think it's a vegetable. So guys, right here you see I'm cutting up everything. I'm just gonna cut it up, cube it up to go in the soup. because I don't want to put it the whole thing like that. So that's why I'm cubing up everything that I put. I cube it up, cube them up so they could cook quick and fast. So right here, guys, just watch the process. And if you're still watching the video, thank you so much for watching, and please comment, subscribe and share and help me to grow my channel. So guys, right here, as you see, I'm continuing to cut up this vegetable. Yeah, guys, so as the conversation was before, you could cook your baby food yourself, guys. You don't have to make things ready-made. You don't have to buy the stuff that is in the store. You buy your vegetable and all these stuff and make your baby food yourself. For my grandchild, guys, I make almost everything for him. Anything this child eat that I didn't make is because his mom buy it somewhere else or whatever she does. But most of the food that I provide for my baby, grandbaby, I make it myself. So it's easy. You just sacrifice an hour or so to make your baby food, and when you make it, you make enough for 2 days, and after 2 days you make another batch. Before you know, the week is done and you make everything from scratch for your grandbaby and for your baby. So right here, guys, I'm cutting up the Idaho potato in cubes, guys, because when you cut them up in cubes, it cook quicker, and so you get everything done faster. So that's what's going on over here, guys. Maybe I should have cut out some part of that video, yeah, but hey, I want you to see what I'm doing. So you know, right here you could put the potato on the board, and if you have some skill to it, guys, you can pull it in your hand and cut it and slice it. Don't cut off your hand, oh, and don't blame me. So you just cut it like this. Don't put the knife too far down in the meat, in the veggies, because you don't want to cut your hand. So guys, you know, I'm skilled like that, guys. I can cut it on the board and I can also hold it in my hand and cut. Yes, even though the knife is sharp, but not that sharp to cut me. It can cut me, but I just take my time and do my thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said, comment, subscribe and share, and tell me how you feel about voiceover. Yes, right here, guys, I have some kale. Yes, I have some kale in my freezer. I already have another video where I wash my kale and I freeze them. I freeze my vegetables, guys, so next time I need it, I can just grab it out of the freezer and do it. So right here, guys, I took out a handful of kale that I'm gonna also add to the soup. So, you know, because now baby have a starch, he has his vegetable, and he has the protein, which is the chicken and the beans. And right here I have some scallion that I have cut up in my freezer. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna put all of those stuff in the fridge. So right here, guys, you see that the chicken is almost cooked, and so I'm adding all the rest of the vegetables and potatoes and all that. Guys, I want to put some carrots in here, but I did not have no carrots. So right here you see I put in the kale, and the kale, you know, I just wash them and put them in my freezer, so when I need them to cook, I just cook, and I'm stirring everything. So what I'm gonna do, let it cook, and after I let this cook, you will see. So right here, guys, I'm taking out the beans. I'm gonna cut this bean, I'm gonna rinse it off before I put it in the pan. I do not use the liquid from the beans in my stuff, guys. Whenever time I cook, I always just pour off the water off the bean, rinse off the bean, and sometimes I soak it in some fresh water to get rid of some of that preservative that was preserving these beans for so long, or how long I don't know. So right there, guys, you see I pour off the beans, pour off the water off the beans, and so I'm gonna take this to my sink and I'm gonna throw out this water and I'm put a fresh water. So right there, guys, the fresh water, I rinse off my bean and then I add it some fresh water to the bowl with the beans, guys. So this is the process that I go through when I do fresh canned beans, to make sure I get rid of most of the preservative and all that excess salt that is already on the beans. So right here, guys, back to the pot. You see everything bubbling right over here. The water in the pot start to take on the color of the vegetables. Yes, man, this is how we go every time, guys. Don't forget to put the notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, guys. So right here, guys, you see I put the beans in. So what I'm gonna make everything cook while I'm gonna season it up with some, I think it's Grace Cock soup. Yes, man, Grace Cock soup in the thing today for the baby. Baby enjoy the soup. I must tell you guys, the baby did enjoy the soup, and I must say I enjoy it too because I drink some too. Yes guys, so you see right here I'm taking out all the vegetables out the pot guys, because I'm gonna put this in my blender. I have a blender that I use to mix nuts guys, or to blend nuts. So I'm gonna put this in the nut maker blender, and I'm gonna blend out all of this too, so that the baby can get everything guys. So this is why I'm using the strainer to take out everything out the pot. So by the time I'm finished, we will only have the liquid left in the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna take out all of this, because the baby is just like 1 year old, so you know he's not ready to eat the solid stuff yet. So I still give him liquid stuff. So you know, just watch the process guys, and reminder, don't forget to like, comment and share if you are still watching the video. I'm gonna take out the bone from the chicken and I'm gonna toss that, because I already get everything out of it that I want guys. So this is how we go over here. So guys, for those of you who've been watching my video before, my name changed. I changed my name. Oh gosh, this is the second or third time I'm changing the name on the channel. But this time I find the perfect name with the help of ChatGPT, and so I will be keeping the name that I have right now. So you know guys, just continue watch the process. Or you can make your own baby food, make your own baby soup. You don't have to buy those stuff in the supermarket that is sitting there on the shelf forever. You can make soup, just sacrifice the time and make your baby food, everything. You make the baby popsicle, I made everything for the baby. So here you go guys, I get this thing from Amazon. They call it nut maker or nut machine. I'm not sure, I don't remember the name guys, but I got it off of Amazon. I use it to make my own almond milk, and whatever you want to make with this. It can make ice cream, it can make smoothie. So I'm gonna use it to blend out all of the vegetables. And then after I see right here guys, I pour hot water, which is boiling water from my pressure cooker, not from my pressure cooker, from my kettle. From my kettle guys, I always have some boiling water available in my kettle when I'm cooking, so that I can add it to whatever I need extra water. And so right here guys, I'm setting the timer for everything to blend out completely to puree. And so when I put it in the baby bottle, he will drink it like porridge. Okay, so I'm not gonna spoon feed him with this. I'm just gonna put it in his bottle, and he's gonna drink it like when you give him porridge. So just watch the process guys. This one is on Amazon guys. You could see the name guys if you want to check it out. Oh yes. So there you go guys, everything all blend out nice and smooth in less than a minute. All of that is blend out completely, puree out, and I'm gonna pour it in the pot and season up the rest, because right here guys, the tomato, the scallion and everything is in here. So right here the rest of water in the pot was still boiling, so I just pour it back inside the pot guys. So this is how it goes guys, making my own baby soup at home. So you just stir. Once you pour it back in the pot, you just combine everything by stirring it exactly how I'm doing it. Or you can stir it your own way, my people. You don't have to stir it the way I stir it, but just make sure so you stir it. And here go my grace cock soup. I'm also gonna put it back in here, and I'm gonna blend it out so that it cook quick when I pour it in the pot. Yes guys, I won't be using any butter, because to me the grace cock soup already have butter or some form of oil in it. Oh yes, I lie. I'm gonna put a little piece of butter. I don't usually cook with butter, but his parents want me to cook with butter for him. But hey, I don't. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. So right here I'm putting a little piece of butter to help spice up the thing. Because I don't cook with butter often, so I thought I wasn't gonna use butter, but as you see in the video, I was using butter. So guys, just watch the process as this thing cooking down, and this is how it go guys. So right here you see I finished blend out all my grace cock soup in here, and I'm gonna pour it in the pot and let it cook down and spice up, make the soup have a nice taste. And so guys, that's it guys. Just watch the channel, just watch the video guys, and you know, I hope you enjoy this video. So right here guys, you see now I'm pouring in my Maggi noodle in the pot, and you know, and make sure you say, you know what, it thing nice. Look at that color, guys. Look at that color. Tell me say it not look good. You can taste it, guys, and you don't even cooking it yourself and just looking at it, you could taste it and see say it tastes good, it look good, it tastes good. So this is how the thing go over here. Baby soup make from scratch. Yes, man. I say you must make a baby soup from scratch. Anything your baby eat, make them from scratch, man. Make them from scratch. You know, you just sacrifice an hour or half an hour. Depends on what you're cooking. If you even have to prep them ahead of time, and then when the time come around, you just go ahead and cook it. You know, it's easier and it's more healthier for your baby. And at least you know what your baby is getting exactly in his or her meal. Yes, man. So just continue to watch the video, guys, until the end, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself until next time. Don't forget to put your notification bell on, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Alright, guys, take care of yourself. And this is the end of the road. The soup is already done cook, and guys, watch the process as I put some in the baby bottle.